Hello, this is Perry Pencil, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Venom Symbol. Now, let's divide the page in half. Put a vertical line right down the center. And please help me get 50 comments and 30 likes for these how to draw videos. Now let's begin. First thing you want to do, you want to start off with an oval. It's going to be about in the center of the page. Now, after you've done the oval shape, you're going to come on down and put a triangular shape in here very lightly. Put in a triangular shape. And you want to have two lines come down almost to the edge of the end of the page, but not quite. And you want to close that off with a circle. Okay? So we have an oval, a triangular shape, circle at the end with two lines. Center line is going to be the balance of right and left. Alright, once you get down to the bottom portion of the circle at the bottom here, you want to come up a little bit on the curve. I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. Come up and then do the same thing for the left side. Put a curve here. And then come straight across. And then round this off, follow the circle around and back up. Same thing on the left side here. Now, you want to come up to the top and you want to put another small oval shape right here. Off of this oval shape, we're going to have a line that comes on the slant this way and on the slant this way. And then we're going to go ahead and darken that in. Then come from this side and angle it in this way, just like this. Have an arc here and do the same thing on the left side. All right. Now that we're at this point, we're going to go ahead and put Venom Symbol, which is the spider, and we're going to draw the legs in. Now we put the first legs in. The distance between this portion here and here is not that far apart. Put the same thing on the right side. You want to come up and we're going to come off of this very first leg that we're doing here. You're going to come down. It's going to be like a little hill. Come down and then it's going to arc up. So I'm going to work this way and arc it back. Connect this like this. Okay, so we have a zigzag here, 1, 2, and then a curve that goes around like this. And we're going to fan this out to the edge of the page, just like that. Okay, so that's number one. I'm going to come to the bottom part of number one and come out like this. We're going to match it. It's the exact same shape. It repeats itself. Come down. You're going to come up. And then you're going to close it. You're going to come in and bring this to a point. Now this is the second leg, so you're going to come in just under this leg. The shape repeats itself, zigzags down, come up, arc it around. Now the second one is going to kind of come down and curve slightly a little bit more to the edge of the page. Do the same thing, repeat that leg from the bottom portion, match that side, and all you're doing is replicating the top side. Coming around and closing it. That's leg number 2. Number 3, it's going to be the same thing. It's going to come down, up. At this point, it's just repetition. And this is going to come around like this. A little bit more than this one and this one. It recesses as it goes down or it falls back. This comes out and then it kind of angles this way, like an arc. Come around and then close this. The final one is going to come out almost flat like this and do the same thing for the bottom portion. And you're going to come down. It's going to come over. And this one is going to arc almost completely around like this. You're going to do the same thing for the bottom side of that leg. Come up and then come down, close it. All right, so we have the whole left side done here. So what has to happen at this point is we're gonna repeat what's on the left side on the right side. And let's go ahead on and begin. To measure this, draw a line straight across like this. That's what I normally do. And this all the way over here like this. So, and what'll help in drawing, in terms of technical drawing, is you want to take your index finger and thumb, all right, and then slide that right over like this. Mark it off where your thumb is, and that's going to be the inside of where this is. So now we have guidelines here. We have these two. You're going to come down, right? And the way you measure this portion is make sure you go down, come over like this, then come back up. And you're going to swing it around like this. And then you're going to come around almost to the edge of the page like you did on the other side. Now it repeats itself like it did on the left side. Come down, up, and then meet this here, just like that. All right, we're gonna go to the second one and match that as much as possible from right to left. You know, come down, up, and it's a curve that goes here, and come down just a little bit. Fourth one, go ahead and lightly put a line in so that way you know where to put the point of that leg in. Come down, come up, and swing this one around. It's the third one. Come down a little bit more, back up, curve it, and come up. And now with the fourth one, it's going to come out just like this. And let's go ahead and see, check it this way. Come down. So we'll come up. And this one's going to curve around just like this. Now to check it, take a line, go straight across like this. As light as possible, and then bring this one down until it touches. And then close this. Now, if you're drawing along with me up to this point, you've just drawn Venom's symbol. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause and get rid of any unwanted lines, make it look nice and neat, and at the end of the video, you can pause and take a look at it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe by pressing this round button at the bottom. Also, click on one of the two top videos at the top. Please like this video, tell a friend, and share it on Facebook. Thank you. Perry Pencil.